Here's our hunting dog.
Like your dog, Tommy.
Where'd it go?
Come on,
Oh, close the gate.
see if you can see that dot.
Hi. How are you? Hey, hey, hey.
He swims. Oreo swims.
I want to see her swim. Him or her? Kayla, you're doing good with puppies. Let's see swim.
Here, get him on the puppy boat.
Catch a good wave.
He's not scared. He's playing too much on this board. This side of the board. Get him, little buddy. Oh, look at Kayla over there.
Look at you. Gilly, make it to the curb. You want to make it to the curb?
Woo.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy. Come to mommy. It's a boy. Ooh.
We got a doggy paddle.
Oh, you fucking hard. Look, Kayla's just curious.
Too little to read. Bye, Oreo. Write me a letter when you get back. Taking a shortcut down the ditch.
See the cages up there?
Mm-hmm. I'll serve you up something strong. Here, at the bar. The cantina. She's staring into space.
What's she staring at?
Into space. She's
She's
thinking about going to bed now.
Watch her speed up Clubhouse, Kayla. I call yellow. Come on, you gotta win this time. Okay. Say, watch her speed up your bubble. Stop. It's waiting. That waddle speed. What? Somebody keep the other dog on his side. Keep the other dog. Really? That's what I did. I'm just trying to explode.
They can do that, and I'll do this. Alright, let's see what a clubhouse looks like here. Uh-oh.
It's a mess.
See it? Okay, show me what you got here.
Amy,
You got the really cool
moon chair,
moon chair,
beanbag.
papoose,
There's the bed.
bare essentials, a cube light, love it, trophies, Kleenex, always have to have that. Up the little stairs we go.
To the bed.
Is there a bed up there?
Gosh.
Let me take the walk up.
You have to be careful.
Okay.
Come back and wait. I'm fine. No,
Oh, there's more chairs and more trophies. And then you got a ceiling fan. Always have to have that.
I got an outdoor light too.
Really?
Yeah.
Microwave. Your
That's a
games.
microwave. That's an oven, and that's a microwave.
Okay. Where's your microwave?
Right there.
It's a perfect dorm room. There it is. Is it plugged up?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Computer chair.
Stand on the floor. Not the.
Mhm.
Right here.
There you go. Cool.
We got a
All
TV
right.
that has cable.
The TV that has cable.
And a fridge.
Very important, essential. Just needs a little polished up cleanliness, right?
Yeah.
A good view.
Mhm.
Oh no. of him.
Don't get on yet. Don't get on yet.
A flower pot
Yes.
to adorn it.
Yeah.
Love it.
You're on it. I can feel it. Stop.
Can you do it? Is it big enough to do a flip?
Yeah. I'll try.
Let me see. That's a roll. That's a side flop.
I'll do a cartwheel.
Okay. Yay, cartwheel. Body slam.
You're supposed to float back up. Oh, I know that. That's a butt buster.
Well, that's a butt buster.
We can stay right here.
Yay!
Hands easy now.
Here, let me hit the can.
He hit it.
Scared him.
Saw feathers fly.
You didn't kill it though. You didn't get a good hit on the seat. Oh, you can see it.
I knew it was only about that big.
Touch your eye. I look at him and cut his eye on a BB gun.
What?
Cut his eye on a BB gun scope.
Just now?
No,
Hey, that's what that cuts
a
from?
while ago.
Let your eye up there and shoot that.
You need a Band-Aid?
He hit it.